Changing the file names is still not enough. All the uploaded files must also be stored in good order. Therefore, we might need to create new directories. We have used the current time to rename the uploaded files. We can also use the current date to name all the new file folders. Take a look at this example. We renamed the file using the time function and the rand function. As for the directories, we name them after the current year, month, and day. To get the current date, you use the date function. The date function can return the current date in different formats. You can go to the PHP manual to see what kinds of format you can get. But in this case, if you want to get 2015-06-23, you use the year, month, date inside the parentheses. But remember, the letter Y should be in uppercase and M and D should be in lowercase. After we have picked a name for the new directories, we use the mkdir function to make them. When we were learning this mkdir function, we knew that the third function argument, variable recursive, is being set to false by default. This means you can only create one directory at a time, and we said this is the recommended way. But there are always exceptions. In this case, we set variable recursive to true, so that we can create multiple directories at the same time. This is because we might need to create the 3 folders in one try. If you only create one file folder in one try, then you might need to use lots of if statements, because you cannot create the same folder twice. Therefore, we set variable recursive to true. Before we go back to the upload program and make the final adjustments, let's do a quick review here. To upload a file, first you need the form tag and the input tag. Inside the form tag, always remember that there is a new attribute, enctype, and its value is a multipart /form-data. As for the input tags, always remember you write the max file size input tag first, otherwise it will be useless. After you have uploaded the file, you need to do a security check. So you limit max file size, then you control the acceptable file type. Then storage. Give your file a new name and a proper URL. Create new directories when necessary.